Hi guys! So today we're going to Calgary with Everyday Life with Jojo and Stan and Ate Irish. And call time it's at 10 a.m. and it's already 11 a.m. So imagine that guys. I woke up at 7 a.m. just to get ready and be on time. And look, Maleeka is so bored. She'll get dirty. I changed her diapers already like 3 times. She pooped already. We're leaving now, guys. Going to Calgary now. Finally, we are picked up at 11 a.m. Hi, Maleeka. You sleep na na?
That's what we call Filipino time. It's only 10:52. You have one dance.
Hi, guys. We're in Calgary now. First stop, IKEA. Oh, Maleeka's enjoying IKEA. IKEA, guys. There's a lot of treasure here.
Ay, ito yung biling ko. This one, Maleeka.
She's just amazed with everything at IKEA. Maleeka!
Maybe you take this and then na kaila.
So, we're stuck here, guys. Maleeka just don't want to go anywhere. She want to stay here. Can we go somewhere else? Nah, can we go somewhere else? Wow. Hi guys. Boo boo boo. Maleeka. What you doing? Come on! What are you looking over there? Monkey! You want that chair na? Huh? Do you want that chair? Or inaantay ito? Oh, wow! Wow!
You want that?
Wow! What is Maleeka doing? What is Maleeka doing? We're almost done here, guys. What do you think of this, guys?
Beautiful.
Hi, guys. Welcome to my kitchen, IKEA kitchen.
Wow.
Hey, guys. So I found my chair, my high chair. This is what I want, and if this is right,
From
take
$99
this.
from $99 down to $25.
We're done in Calgary. Thank you, Ate I, for taking us with you to pick up Edley. We got the chance to go to Ross Iron. We spent money that we don't have.
$3. Gem.
And we are on our way to the airport now to pick up Edley. And then off to
That's the
Lethbridge.
airport.
See you again next time. Thank you so much guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!